Dear students, welcome you to session 37, chapter Cost of Capital, Financial Management, 6th semester BCom, Mangalore University. In the previous sessions, we have seen the computation of specific cost of capital, that is the cost of equity, cost of preference shares, cost of debt or debentures. In this session, let us understand the weighted average cost of capital. Weighted average cost of capital is the overall cost of capital of the firm. It is the weighted average cost of various sources of funds where the weights are the proportion of each source of fund in the capital structure. Now, how we can find out the weighted average cost of capital? So, weighted average cost of capital K is equal to equity share capital multiplied with the cost of equity, that is KE, plus preference share capital multiplied with the cost of preference share, that is KP, plus debt multiplied with the cost of debt, KD. So, equity share capital into KE plus preference share capital into KP plus debt into KD divided by total long-term funds into 100. It will give us the overall cost of capital or weighted average cost of capital. Now, we will find out the weighted average cost of capital of a firm. Aditya Limited as the following capital structure. Equity share capital rupees 10 lakh with the cost of equity 8%. Preference share capital of 8 lakh with the cost of preference shares 12%. Debentures 9 lakh with the cost of debt 14%. So, we have information about the capital structure of a firm, that is the equity share capital is 10 lakh and the cost of equity KE is equal to 8%. Preference share capital is 8 lakh and the cost of preference, that is KP, is equal to 12%. The debentures 9 lakh and the cost of debt KD is equal to 14%. Now, let us find out the overall cost of capital. So, K overall cost of capital or weighted average cost of capital is equal to equity share capital multiplied with the cost of equity plus preference share capital multiplied with the cost of preference plus debt multiplied with the cost of debt divided by total long-term funds into 100. So, in this case, equity share capital is 10 lakh into 8% plus preference share capital is 8 lakh into 12% plus debt is 9 lakh into 14%, all divided by equity share capital 10 lakh plus preference share capital 8 lakh plus debt 9 lakh into 100. So, we have 80,000 plus 96,000 plus 1,26,000 divided by the total, that is 10 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 9 lakh, 27 lakh into 100. So, it is equal to 11.18%. So, in this we have calculated the overall cost of capital by using the cost of equity, cost of preference and cost of debt, multiplying it with the weights. So, equity share capital multiplied with cost of equity plus preference share capital multiplied with the cost of preference and debt multiplied with the cost of debt divided by total long-term funds into 100 will give us the overall cost of capital. Thank you.